Right in this video, I'll be showing you on the use of the constraint placement right in here. I'll compare the constraint placement right by enabling the constraint placement. I like to pick up the rebar here. You can see that the rebar is getting snapped right into the each quadrant right here. Alright, I've enabled the constraint placement right in the set. Right in edit type, I would like to change up the diameter of the bar, maybe right up to 20. Okay, if I hit apply, you can see that the placement is still constrained and all the bars is still in contact with the bar right at the center. Right, that's great. If I turn it off, get into structure, Rebar, I like to turn the constraint placement off. And it's not possible for me to snap right onto this face. I take a hard time to snap right in here simply by hovering. Alright, that's so shit. And if I try to increase the diameter of the bar, 20 go backs right into 10. The corresponding bars is not in contact with each other, but whereas if the placement is constrained, the placement of these bar get constrained here. So that's use of the constrain option right in the Revit structure.
I wanna see the light.